Hello everybody. It's Ronnie with Whip and Chain. I work with Maggie to bring you these beautiful crochet tutorials. We got a cute little one, kitty cat keychains. Gorgeous. So we're working with a 3mm crochet hook. Any keychain rings that you want. These are some of the ones that I have, and I will tag them below. And also, I'm going to tag some of our keychain tutorials in this video, so by all means go back and look at them, enjoy them. These are quick, fun, easy tutorials that you can bang out if you're looking for little easy gifts or things for parties, little trinkets. They work out great. And we're also playing with 100% cotton yarn. I'm just using my stash, but this particular color, seafoam. Seafoam. I might have you upside down. There we go. Seafoam. All right. Now, you do need, if you're using a keychain that you need to slip on first, please do that now. Now, this key ring takes about 15 minutes. It's a busy day out there. It's a couple days before the holiday season. So you want to chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Aren't they cute? So we're going to slip stitch now in the next 9 stitches. Try not to pull this too tight. It will turn into a nightmare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. Now chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now in the next 3 stitches, you're going to put in 3 trebles. So this is 1, 2. The dogs are sleeping again. They have such hard lives. This is 2. And this is 3. Now in the next 3 stitches, you're going to put in 3 double crochets. This is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. In the next 3 stitches, put in 3 single crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. In the last stitch, put your crochet hook in and go through both stitches. There we go. And slip stitch. All right, this is going to help prevent your end stitch stretching. So chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then put in 3 double crochets. All this is going in the same stitch, guys. So 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. And at the base of your first stitch, at the bottom of your first stitch, there's an upside down V. Go through that and slip stitch. Okay, now go back in and do a double crochet. Now another double crochet. So you go through it, do the first half of your double crochet. Now if you attached a key ring, now's a good time to bring that up and then wrap and finish your double crochet. Okay, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and at the bottom of that first stitch again, that V, do a slip stitch. Now we're going to put in 3 more double crochets. One, 2, and look at that, 3. Okay, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and you go right in the center again and slip stitch. That's it. Head is done, guys. Now, find that very first stitch at the top on the other side of the body, go in it, and single crochet. Okay, single crochet the next gap, and then single crochet in the next gap. Okay, now 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. I am crocheting over the tail, so I don't have to weave that in. Now 3 trebles. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then slip stitch in the base of your tail. Okay, and then that is it. You can chain 1, pull through, let me weave it in. Okay, and because we hooked it on the back, worked out perfect. So here's your little cat. What I like about him is, see how his head is tilted a little bit like a cat sitting. So I used all 3 different keychain holders. so you can see. Let's get everything out of them. Look at that. Aren't they gorgeous? And you can curl this tail up. And you're more than welcome to put stiffener on these if you want to stiffen them up. But aren't they adorable? They work up in less than 15 minutes and you got an adorable keychain. And like I said, they're great for little wedding, you know, that they put favors at the tables and different things. Perfect. Well, thank you guys for watching this quick little keychain cat tutorial. I'm Ronnie. I work with Maggie. And until next time here at Whip and Chain, it's always a work in progress. And thank you so much for your time. Bye, guys.